and in this video I'm going to show you some sweet and simple tips using the blends markers and the Timeless Charm bundle. Here's my card using the Timeless Charm bundle that can be found only online. It has these lovely images with dies to cut them out, as well as some extra dies, and these really nice watercolor washes in different sizes, along with some nice sentiments. So for this card, I'm going to show you a really easy peasy trick for using blends. So I've decided to use the in colors for my color combination. And so I have a thick white card base, and this piece is 4 by 5 1/4. I've used the time worn type embossing folder to emboss it. Next, I have this largest stylish shapes circle, and I'm gonna stamp the Tahitian tide on it. And I'm gonna do the largest watercolor wash. And for this one, I'm gonna stamp off. That's why you see this scratch paper here. So I'm gonna stamp off and I'm gonna stamp it. I just wanted to get a lighter version of it. And I'm just gonna create this little watercolor wash here. Now I'm going to use one of the Tahitian Tide blends markers. I'm gonna use the light one, and I'm gonna flick some little bits of color on it. So I like to use the corner of the cap, and then you can just flick straight down and you get all these lovely, lovely splatter marks. I love splatter marks, so hopefully you can see all those lovely splatter marks. And then I have already pre-cut the dies, and I've even colored some of them. So these I colored with Parakeet Party, and this one I'm gonna color with Orchid Oasis and the Parakeet Party. So I'm gonna start with the dark Parakeet Party, and I'm just gonna put it on the left edges of the stems. And then I'll come back with the light Parakeet Party and just blend all of those in. Now I'm going to use the dark Orchid Oasis, and I'm gonna color the inside part here. And then I'm gonna go back and color some of the edges of the petals to just make some shadows. So this is something fun you can do with the blends, is you can use your dies to cut out any shapes that you want, and then you can color them with your blends. And then if you want some more dark shades, you can go back in there and add some, and then you could blend it in again, whatever you want to do. And for the green, you can come back in and darken the edges as well if you want to. And I just think it's a really nice contrast. Now I'm just gonna add these all onto the circle with some liquid glue. Look how pretty that is. Okay, I have a couple pieces of designer series paper, the in color designer series paper, and I'm just going to trim off a side here, and then I can stagger these. And then the last step is to stamp the sentiment in Orchid Oasis. And then just add on the sentiment. And there is my sweet and simple Timeless Charm card using the blends markers. Get my Timeless Charm card kit for just $5 shipping when you place an order for $50 using my current host code. Then email me and let me know that you would like this kit and I will send it right out to you.